Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to apply 3D effect on your One UI 8.5 home screen with simple and easy way. So let's begin. Okay guys, first add widgets on your home screen like this. Now take screenshot and open Gemini. After open Gemini, simply tap on create images and add the screenshot from gallery. Now describe image, add 3D effect with shadow on widgets and icons and search. Guys, look at this result. Okay, guys, simply save this image on gallery. Guys, remember, if you can't find perfect image after search, then search again and again till found perfect result. So okay, look at this result. And guys, I search again and again and I found perfect different type of 3D result. Let me show you. Look at this. Now simply set this wallpaper only on home screen. Now tap on done. And look at these. Complete 3D effect apply on your home screen. Guys, remember, simply go to Google search bar, setting and set dark Google search bar and increase complete transparency. And look at this, I set up second home screen with different widgets. So I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.